Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Heidi. I'm completely blind so I don't look directly at you, but I promise I'm right here with you. So today I have a few fragrances for you here. I think it's 11 fragrances. Just for those very comfy evenings when you curl up with a blanket, you can be with someone perhaps, watching movies, just staying in the night, or you can be by yourself. Like I'm now for 3 years by myself, living by myself. And sometimes you just feel in the evening to just watch movies, curl up with a book, have a soft perfume on that's not too overpowering, and just have a good evening. Or if you're with someone, you don't necessarily want to choke them out if you are, in close proximity to someone. So that is the topic: comfy and cuddly fragrances, just soothing fragrances for those movie nights in. Now, guys, before we start, I want to tell you something, and you might laugh. You are welcome to skip ahead to the fragrances if you don't want to hear my I wouldn't say embarrassing story, but yeah, quite, if I tell it, it's probably a bit embarrassing, but anyway. I've probably been living under a rock or something. I don't know. Please tell me I'm not alone. That some of you are with me under this rock. But so I thought, remember 2 months ago or so, I made a video on perfumes for 10 different occasions. And I thought of these occasions and I thought, yeah, you know what would be nice? A nice video on Netflix and chill. And if you're giggling, you're probably already knowing what I'm going to say. But for those who inhabit the space under the rock with me, you won't know. So I messaged my sister, I sent her a WhatsApp. Hey, I've got this idea for a video. I'm now very excited, about Netflix and chill and perfumes for Netflix and chill. And she said, oh, good idea. I get the voice note. Heidi, but do you know, she says, sorry, do you know what it means? And I think while she talks, well, duh, of course I know what it means. It's you watch movies and you relax. She says it means like hooking up, for casual sex. I'm like, huh? So I messaged her, I said, oh, nonsense. Well, I'm saying it politely now. I didn't say it so politely. And I went to Google, and what do you know? That's what it means. And I'm sitting there, I'm telling you guys, the surgeons are probably still reconstructing my jaw, and I'm sure I'm still suffering from a bit of concussion after my jaw hit the floor. Because I'm like, but what? Here I had this idea, and I mean, don't get me wrong, if that is what a video is about, perfumes for hookups or things like that, I've got no issue with it. Absolutely. Make that video, but I don't want to sit here making a video thinking it's about one thing, meanwhile it's about a completely different thing. So I was walking my dog and I had to chuckle because I thought, guys, I think 90% of my friends are males and we are all just platonic friends. And I thought, what if one of them one day had said, Heidi, let's go for a lunch or for a dinner. And I say, you know what, rather come over to my place and we can just, do Netflix and chill. They would have run for the mountains. Or perhaps they wouldn't, because when I checked with them, they also didn't know that's what it meant. I mean, Okay, I am 41, but there are people older than me who know what it means. So my age is definitely not an excuse. So sorry, but that is just my funny story. I said to my one friend, no, I'm going to tell that on my channel. I'm going to tell my subscribers this story. He said, no, don't. I said, no, I will, because I think it's funny. And we can laugh at ourselves. I think we all have experiences in our life where we used a phrase, we thought something meant one thing, and meanwhile it meant something else. So I present to you today Netflix and Chill, the PG version. Here we go. Obviously, if people watch movies and it, if one thing leads to another, great. But my intention is to talk about just those non-offensive fragrances that will be appropriate for all these types of occasions. Okay, so I've got Middle Eastern fragrances here, I've got designer, I've got celebrity, and I think since I have the Middle Eastern series, I'm going to start today with my designer and celebrity. And the first one is not new to my channel at all, and this is Hypnotic Poison by Dior. This is the EDT version. This is just a soft, dewy vanilla, very comforting scent. It is just so comfy, soothing, and if you watch movies, whether with someone or alone, this will be perfect. It's non-offensive. You just can't not like it. It is a beautiful, beautiful scent, and this will be perfect for movie night. Okay. The next one is new to my collection, and this is La Vie Belle Vanilla or Vanille Nude. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a 30ml. I am really sad and I regret buying the 30ml. I wish I bought the 100ml. This is, if you know La Vie Belle, it smells like La Vie Belle. It has that irisy, slightly powdery, sweet vanilla scent, but with way more vanilla in there. And the vanilla is powdery and fluffy and so beautiful. But unlike the other La Vie Belles, this one is not overpowering. It is more of a quiet, whispering sort of scent. And I think this will be absolutely perfect for movie night. You are cuddling up on the couch with someone. It will just be so beautiful. And yeah, beautiful, beautiful scent. This is my favorite La Vie Belle by far. So the next one is obviously Montguerlain. This is lavender, vanilla, slightly airy, extremely comforting, soothing. I think if you smell like this, people would just want to be near you. Oh man, if you sit on the couch, if you're on the couch, cuddling on the couch, spray this on the blanket as well. If you're under a comfy blanket, spray it on there. It is so beautiful. It is so feminine. It is sort of a strong scent. I wouldn't say it is close to the skin, but that lavender and the mix of lavender and vanilla makes it perfect for an intimate scent as well. Okay. The next one is Viva La Juicy Gold Couture. This is berries and caramel. It's soft. It's also sort of, there's a nice balance here between airiness and thickness. It is blended extremely well. If you know this one, it is beautiful and it doesn't project a lot and it's very sweet and this is perfection for evening times, guys. Oh, curling up under the duvet with your book and a cup of hot chocolate next to you. Man, this is, you cannot go wrong. This is my second bottle, by the way. Okay. The next one is Vanilla 28 by Kehali. This is just a straight up vanilla orchid brown sugar scent. I always say this is sort of a adult grown up vanilla. It is slightly alcoholic almost and just so sweet and just plain and simple vanilla, but not so that you will smell like a cookie. It also layers so well with other scents, but if you just want to have a non-offensive, softly comforting, soothing scent, this is great for that. Okay, then we have REM by Ariana Grande. This is also lavender, actually. Salt, fig, I think there's fig leaf in here. This smells like dryer sheets, your sheets just coming out of the dryer, that I've heard on other channels. That's not my own original thought. But this is just close to the skin. So non-offensive. And guys, the best part, it is extremely addictive as well. It's a very addictive scent. Beautiful. There's a depth to it as well that is so difficult to explain. Then we have Fancy by Jessica Simpson. Now this is also sweet like Juicy Couture. There's some remnants between the two. Sweet, but there's peach. Where Juicy Couture has berries, this has peach. And to me, this is a bit sweeter, but it's also quite fluffy. Oh, very sweet, very non-offensive. Unless you are with someone who don't like sweet scents, then this might not be appropriate. Well, neither of these will be appropriate then, I guess. Okay, so let's go to the Middle Eastern one. The first one, of course, is Ongom by Lattafa. This is a lavender vanilla scent. Cocoa in here. I chose this one above Burberry Goddess because I feel like the lavender is a bit toned down here. It's a bit more vanillic. It's a bit smoother, bit sweeter. Burberry Goddess, well, while very lovely, I love that scent, can be very strong. So I would recommend rather Ongom for movie nights. Right. Then I would recommend Vanilla Voyage. This is by Maison Asrar. This is in that same scent DNA as Cream Velvet by Cottage or Eclair by Lattafa. It is vanilla, it is sweet, but the thing is this one has something in here that I don't find in Cream Velvet and in Eclair. It's got something that reminds me slightly of a breakfast biscuit, if you know what I'm talking about. Almost, yeah, biscuity, but not necessarily a sweet biscuit, but a biscuity vanilla scent. It is extremely beautiful. Now, I think this one can be a bit strong, but since it is vanilla, if you don't spray a lot, I think this will just be such a soft, warm, inviting scent. fantastic fragrance. This is one of my best buys of 2025. Then I've got Gen Z Marshmallow by Yekahat Attar. This is inspired by Yum Bougie Marshmallow from Kayali. This is a fluffy marshmallow sorbet. There's strawberry, raspberry, whipped cream. It is just gorgeous. It is gorgeous, and it's so sweet. It's so sweet. It smells even a bit more strawberry-ish than a marshmallow blush from Paris Corner. It does not, on me, project a lot. For me, it's a bit more closer to the skin, but sweet and feminine and girly, and it's just amazing. I can 100% recommend this for those quiet nights at home. Okay, we've got 2 left. So this one is Cafe Latte by Cutlash. This is a coffee fragrance, but this one is like a iced coffee to my nose, or a milky iced latte. It smells exactly like it, like a milky ice latte. Because it is more close to the skin, or doesn't project well, at least on my skin, it doesn't project well. I think this would be amazing for nights in. Even if you spray this one in your house, in your room, there where you are going to watch movies, read a book, whatever, you spray that in the room, and it's going to give this very inviting, soft, coffee-like scent. It is beautiful. I love this one. The last one is Minya by Paris Corner. This is caramel, almond, pistachio. Oh, it is so beautiful, guys. This is perfection for the evening. This is perfection to put on your PJs and to go to bed. It is sweet. If you don't like sweet, stay away. But it's caramel, and there were nuts. Nuts were dipped into the caramel, because it's first for me caramel and then the pistachio and the almond, and it's sweet. And oh, this was inspired by Sol de Janeiro Seroja 62. This is so nice. You will smell like a snack with this one, 100%. In fact, with Vanilla Voyage, you will also smell like a snack. It is absolute beautiful fragrances. There you go. Here are all my picks for quiet nights, cuddly, comforting nights at home. Yes, where the scent is so intimate that it would not offend anyone, and if you are alone, that it would also not offend you. And yeah, that is it. Please tell me, which are your favorite fragrances for just staying at home, and when you just want something that's a bit more softer, a little bit more closer to the skin. I would love to know. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I appreciate you all, and until next time, bye for now.